Hello traders, Rich here, and here's a quick but detailed update on XMR. As usual, if you guys like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we clearly see, Monero has been overall bullish for a while, trading above the blue trend line, acting as a non-horizontal support, pushing the price upward many times. And since price is sitting around it, we're expecting a bullish movement from here. Moreover, the 180 is a strong horizontal support and resistance zone. It was acting as a resistance previously, then price broke it upward. It's now acting as a support again and again. So this area is the intersection of the horizontal support 180 and the lower trend line in blue. That's why we are looking for buy setups. However, if we zoom in, we can see that from a medium-term perspective, we are overall bearish trading inside this falling channel in red, making lower lows and lower highs. So you don't want to buy a bearish market, especially or like even though we are overall bullish from a long-term perspective. We always wait for extra confirmation and trigger because price can still trade lower and lower. As we can see, price is making lower highs and lower lows. So we always wait for the bulls to take over from a medium term perspective so that it would be aligned with the long term perspective. And in my case, as per my trading plan, I'll be waiting for this previous swing high to be broken upward, and only then the buyers would prove to us that they are strong enough to make a shift in momentum, and in this case from bearish, sorry about that, I meant to click on this one first, so from bearish to bullish, right? So long story short, we are waiting for a momentum candle close from daily time frame above this zone. That's why you see my alert. I don't know if you can see it. That's why you can see my alert here to expect or to enter a buy expecting a bullish movement on Monero. And meanwhile, until the buy is activated, Monero can still trade lower and lower inside this channel before going upwards. So for those who are watching this video, in this case, we'll update our trigger swing to be the last swing high, which is sitting around the upper red trend line. So this is our trigger, and we are looking for buy stops in the first place because price is approaching a strong support zone and the lower trend line in uh, blue support zone. Here we go. Before we continue, I want to tell you about Kucoin. Kucoin is one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world with over 600 billion traded volume on the platform and 8 million registered users from more than 200 different countries. Moreover, Kucoin has been rated the best crypto exchange by Forbes Advisor, and according to Coinmarketcap, Kucoin is a top 3 in terms of overall performance. Kucoin offers a wide range of services and features. Of course, you first got spot trading and margin trading, but with more than 540 listed coins and 960 trading pairs. You also got trading bot, staking, mining pool, and many, many more. And I'll make sure to make a detailed video about each and every feature. For now, if you don't have an account yet, I'll make sure to include the links in the description below, and let's continue. As we clearly see, Verge has been overall bearish for a while, making lower highs and lower lows. However, it's currently approaching a very strong support area. If you zoom out to weekly time frame, we can see that the zone has been acting as a support previously, then price broke it downward, so it's now acting as a resistance again, then price broke it upward, so it's now acting as a support, and since price is currently retesting it, that's why we'll be looking for buy setups. But of course, as usual, even though the price is around the support area, we don't buy blindly. We always zoom into lower time frames for extra confirmation and trigger that the buyers are finally strong enough to take over. That's why if we zoom into H4 time frame, we can see that as mentioned from daily time frame, we are overall bearish. We have big impulse movements pushing price lower, small correction, big impulse movement, right? So we are overall bearish, and you don't want to buy a bearish market. Even though we are around a support area, Verge or XVG can still trade lower and lower before going higher. You don't want to get stuck inside a bearish market. That's why you always wait for extra confirmation. You always wait for the buyers to take over. That's why I'll be waiting for a new swing high to form around the upper red trend line and as per my trading style. And then and only then I'll be buying on to break upward above the last major high. That's why I always highlight it as my trigger for those who already know me. Then and only then, when this happens, the buyers would be in control for them to push higher. Then and only then, as mentioned, would have a shift in momentum from bearish to bullish. For now, we are clearly bearish, low lows and lower highs, and while waiting for the bulls to take over because we are, as mentioned, around a support zone from daily and weekly time frame. Meanwhile, this one can trade lower before going higher. Best of luck, and I'll see you on the next one.